Congratulations!
Very much amazed of all of these wonderful designs. Alam niyo po mga Mindoreños, most of these designs are from our fellow Mindoreños, handcrafted straight from the heart.
Grabe nun at hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. I would like to commend all the designers, all the artists of the festival attire na nakita po natin sa kanina. Kaya tunay ngang napakagaling at dapat ipagmalaki ang talento ng mga Mindoreños.
Exactly. Alam mo, Jalay, if wala yung mga creative hands natin, us beauty queens would be very bare, right?
Yes. We super appreciate you guys.
Yes, at
And for this moment, I would like to remind all of you na ang tagumpay po ng isang programa ay hindi lamang dahil sa mga taong nasa entablado. Ito rin po ay bunga ng mga suporta ng mga taong naniniwala sa adhikain ito.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's take this moment to give our heartfelt gratitude to our sponsors, partners, and supporters for helping make Oriental Mindoro Queen 2026 possible. We would like to thank the following sponsors.
We would like to thank Miss Centro Mall, official participant and sponsor, Centro Mall, Calapan. Also, and we would like to invite Miss Kate Abby Soriano on stage.
And while we are waiting for them, may we call on the chairperson of Oriental Mindoro Pride Council, Josh Barrientos, together with the Master of Ceremonies in the province of Oriental Mindoro. Let's give it up for Mr. Max Closa to award our token of appreciation. To award our token of appreciation. And also, we are live. Very, very much live.
Yes, hello po sa lahat ng audience natin on live. Kamusta po kayo dyan?
Yes, and of course, happy viewing to Cahayon Castillo family, Nanette Cahayon, Miguel Garcia, Dana Blanco, Mon Blanco, and the rest of our friends and fam.
Yan, happy viewing din po sa nanay ko. Hello, Mami Orvic, and sa aking sister at sa aking bebu.
Before we officially proceed with the appreciation of our sponsors, it is time that we award the tokens to PICPA Oriental Mindoro and MGMZ. Let us first begin with the representatives of PICPA Oriental Mindoro, the treasurer, Harvin Custer Asidillo, and member Cedric M. Catapang. Let's give them a big warm round of applause. Thank you very much as we appreciate the efforts, right, Shalai?
Yes, we truly appreciate all the people na tumulong po sa gabing ito.
Once again, our official tabulation team, the treasurer of PICPA Oriental Mindoro, Harvin Ruster Asidillo, and the members, Cedric M. Catapang.
We would also like to thank our tabulation support, Mr. Melgar Glams, MGMZ.
Representatives of Melgar Glams MGMZ, our tabulation support for tonight. Let's welcome on stage Mr. Jamel Palomera,
Ms. Rochelle Del Rosario,
Romnick Mojica,
Ms. Alexa Handa,
Brian Mahagway,
and Mr. Edson Habag.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our official tabulation support, Melgar Glams or the MGMZ.
We are truly grateful for all the people na tumulong po at bumuo ng gabing ito. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, and please keep your eyes peeled because we are going to share with you the list of our generous sponsors for today's event.
We have Centro Mall Calapan, Miss Kate Abby Soriano.
We also have Miss Sir George Salon and Spa.
We also have Miss Timothy Bookkeeping and Business Consulting Services.
We would also like to thank Sweet Care Hotel.
Also Miss Asilo Aesthetics.
We would also like to thank Sawadi Thai Spa,
We would also like to thank Malaya Body Massage and Spa,
Diamond Aesthetics Clinic,
Cafe Meow,
at maraming salamat din po to Runaway Travel and Tours.
Thank you also to Let's Glam by Leslie Cunanan,
Of course, to CJ Studio Salon.
10 to 1 Restaurant,
We would also like to thank the Serenity Beauty Spa,
Also, Butika ng Bayan sa Pinamalayan.
And maraming salamat, of course, to someone who cares for my hair, Warley Salon. Once again, from the bottom of our hearts, maraming salamat po to all our sponsors.
Also, we would like to thank our organizations, our judges, our live viewers. Maraming salamat po sa pakikiisa ngayong gabi.
Yes, and while we wait, Jalai, what is the most or the best preparation that you have for Binibining Pilipinas?
Okay, the best preparation is actually my emotional health. You know, for everyone out there, I am a very emotional person.
Yes, and speaking of emotions, keep your eyes peeled on the screen because you are now going to see the talent and interview portion at Central Mall, Calapan.
Kahit anong sabihin nila, ako'y ubod ng ganda. Kahit anong gawin nila, drum na may tubig ang sinisisid. Naglalaki ang mga braso sa akin dumidikdik.
Acceptance is unanimous inclusion. If people are going to accept us as a part of or under the queer umbrella, definitely they will include us. The biggest gap between acceptance and inclusion is that people are accepting us and tolerating us as part of the LGBTQIA+ community. But at the end of the day, they are not including us in this humanity. And to all the people, I would just like to set a reminder that having us as a part of the LGBT will never ruin the cycle of humanity. It will only fulfill accepting and respectable for each and every one of us, regardless if you are a man, a woman, or part of the LGBT. What matters is you may be human to humanity. Thank you.
Kahit sa paglipas ng panahon ay di ko namamalaya na imbes na tumigas ay tila lalong lumamot ang puso ko mapamahal. Parang piling matang ulod ako'y isang sirena. Kahit anong sabihin nila, ako ay ubod ng ganda. Ako'y isang sirena. Kahit anong gawin nila, bandera ko'y di tutumba. Drum na may tubig ang sinisisid. Naglalaki ang mga braso sa akin dumidikdik. Drum na may tubig ang sinisisid. Sa pagkagalan ng paghinga sa akin kayo ay bibili. Ang basta naging binata na ako. Teka muna, mali talaga na pala to. Pero bakit parang lahat ay nalilito pa rin? Ano bang mga problema nyo? Dahil ba ang mga kilos ko iba? Sa dapat makita ng inyong mata. Sa tuwing nanunood ng liga, laging natutulala. Kahit di pumasok ang bola, ako'y tuwang-tuwa. Kahit kinanyo na sa tapang, kasi ganun na lamang. Ako paluin ang tubo, kahit kinakalawang tama na.
I'm beautiful in my way, 'cause God makes no mistakes. I'm on the right track, baby.
Let us welcome back on stage, Mindoreños. Let's give a warm round of applause, UPK.
Yeah, you sure you know what you're doing? Last time I checked, I'm still high, real hot. Can go without a pill pop. Bill cars, they be coming to their hilltop. Tip top, they be calling for the tip top. Yeah, last time I checked, I still gotta get it on my own. Stay independent for you to get what I'm getting. It would probably take a village. Give me a minute, turn this snippet to a hit. Now they all want a percentage, but I'm only paying visits. Hit 'em with thick stones and a quick jaw. Hit balls, if they ain't playing, they getting kicked off. Jigsaw, I got 'em puzzled, got 'em a bit lost. If it's feeling crazy, I put the beat in a picture. Got it on lock, got the password. Type of thing you couldn't manufacture. 10,000 hours, got it mastered. Can't you see the pattern? Last time I checked, I'm